Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a bit since I posted a video. Uh, I'm gonna do a quick demo with the KLH. Had them now for a good past 60 days now, and I truly feel they are well broken in now. Yeah, once they break in, these speakers are just amazing. They sound great. I mean, the bass is really kicked in. I'm considering buying a DAC. I'm not sure if it's necessary or would the investment in a DAC make a big difference in my system. I do have a Parasound amplifier with a Parasound preamplifier, and I'm not running no subwoofer. And I did see a Cambridge Audio Magic DAC. I think it's a 200. It's about 500 bucks. There's another couple ones out there that are around that range, $500-600. But with a $500 and $600 DAC, make a difference. I know that the Parasound carries a Burr Brown strip, and the Blusound Node has, I'm not sure if it's a Sabre, but I know it has a very good, I guess a good DAC. But I'm not sure if anybody has any comment about that. Please write it down in the comment section. But yeah, I'm considering getting a DAC, and I'm not sure if that's going to be worth the investment, but we'll see. Here goes a quick demo. I am going to play Karen Sosa, and I'm going to use Tidal MQ. Now, Tidal, I unsubscribed to it. I guess it's still, until it's 30 days, I guess it won't stop. But anyways, yeah, I don't think the $26.99 or $25.99 for Tidal is worth it. I'm keeping Cobuzz and Apple Music, and I do have the Amazon too. So, okay, guys, here we go.
To say, certain but not finding understanding anyway. We're lost in a masquerade, but afraid to say we're just too far away. Being close together from the start, and try to talk it over, but the words got in the way. We're lost inside this lonely game we play. Thoughts of leaving disappear every time I see your eyes. And no matter how hard I try, understand the reason why we carry on this way. We're lost in masquerade. Myself leaving disappear every time I see your eyes. And no matter how hard I try to understand the reason why we carry on this way, we're lost in masquerade. We're lost in
There you go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and give me a like.